binary search or random search. This is another searching technique by which we can search elements quickly from a dataset. Right here, binary search. Okay, save the projects, save the main file. Right here quickly using namespace std. First of all, we will have a short introduction about what we are going to do. Binary search requires sorted data set. Secondly, divide data set into repeatedly so that the given element may be found. So that we implement this binary search int array. We have an array of size 10. We initialize this array as 12, 34, 55, 60. So be conscious that this dataset must be sorted in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We can see here that this data set is sorted 12, 34, 55, 64, 76, etc. in ascending order. Now what we will have to do, int similar in the sequential search, we have a flag that is 0, and we have three kind of variables because we have to divide each time this data set into halves, into two halves. Then we have int mid and start and end. Mid will the mid value of the dataset, start with the starting value of the dataset, and end will the ending value of the dataset. How we can initiate these three variables? Start will absolutely 0 index, and end will absolutely the last index, that will 9 of the dataset, 10th element. So start from here. We can say that while start is less than end, we say that while our start is less than, and what will goes what will go here, we will calculate the mid is equal to start plus end divided by 2. This is the simple formula that will give us mid value of the array. We say that if AR mid, the calculated middle value is equal to the num. What is the num? We will have to declare here the other variable num, for which we have to find through the array. Cout enter value to found. This will save in variable num. Okay. If this is equivalent to the num, then what we will have to do, we will set the flag is equal to 1, similar in the we do in the linear search. Other conditions we will have to notice that if num is greater than a or array of mid, what will we have to do? We are just saying that in this condition that our required number is greater than the, if we say that middle is here and our required number is greater than the middle, then we will move the start is equal to a mid plus 1. On the other hand, else third condition is definitely if number is not equal to mid, number is greater than mid, not greater than mid, then number will absolutely less than mid. We will move our end. We will move, here is our end. We will move our end to the mid minus 1. Okay, so let's check it. Mid minus 1. Here iteration will complete. When iteration will complete, we will check if flag is equal to 1. We will say that cout number is found, as we will say that number is not found. Okay, so compile this code. It may contains any kind of error, then this is not need to be worried. Compiled successfully, we are running. We have to see a look on the numbers, which numbers we are given into the array. We compiling it again. Okay, we have number 120 to 90. We will set it. Number is found. We set the given number as 122 to which we want to find from the data set or in array. This says that this number is found. We run it again. We say that we want to find 14. Number is not found. We can clearly see that here it is mentioned that the number is not found from the array because 14 is not given in our dataset that is listed here. We can run this demonstration again to check whether this is running for the given dataset. We say that we have 76. We say that 76 number is found. It is again saying that accurate statistics that number is found 76 because number is available in the given dataset. Here we can easily see that the number is in our dataset. Here is 76 is found and here is 76 exists. Now let's move to our code window to elaborate this code again. Two things are important: sorted data set and divide data into two halves rapidly. Three variables are introduced. These are the display pointers, points to the start, middle, and location of data. This is the starting index and this is the ending or last index of array. Okay, this is getting input the element to be searched, and this is there is the simplest logic that elaborate how binary search can be implemented. Binary search is more quickly more fast than the linear search.